Hi, this is Maria Grace Lamina. I'm from TWSP batch number 5. And today we're going to teach Emil. He is 5 years old. We're going to teach him how to wash his hands. Okay, let's start, Emil. Yan na. Yan. Okay, Emil, let's wash our hands muna. Wet muna natin yung hands natin. Okay, tapos let's get some soap. Yan. Si Mami din. Yan. O, gagayahin mo si Mami, ha. O, look at me. Oh, you rub your hands first. Matagal. Okay. Emil, do you know why washing your hands is important?
Because the bacteria.
Oh, tama yun.
The bacteria.
Oh, it will kill the bacteria. Yung soap, parang superhero soap yon. It kills the bacteria o yung mga germs. Yung mga germs, parang mga bad guys yon. Oh, look. After nito, nakarub mo na dito. Yan. Yan. Yung back ng palm. O, yung kabila naman. Ganun naman.
Yan ka?
Yan, kabila. Yan. Yan. Alam mo bang, Nak, what will happen if your hands are dirty and then you rub your eyes, you touch your nose, and you touch your mouth? What will happen?
The bacteria will spread on your eyes and your nose and your mouth.
Tama. The bacteria will go inside your body. Ganito naman, anak. Ganito. Yan. O, bacteria will go inside your body and you'll have a tummy. Hurts yung tummy mo. O kaya magdadiarrhea ka, magpupupup ka ng madaming pupup. Okay na tayo dyan. Ganyan, anak. Gayahin mo si Mami. Yan. Tapos, what's next? Ganito naman. Ganito, anak. You need to wash your hands before eating. O, sa kabila naman, before eating, before you eat, dapat clean hands ka. And after using the toilet, diba? Dapat clean hands. Wait lang, anak, hindi pa tayo tapos. Ganun naman. Yung fingers mo, rub mo doon. Ayan. So, after using the toilet, dapat mag-wash ka rin ng hands at saka you need to use the soap, diba? Tama ba yun? O, what else? After playing outside, diba? Dapat mag-wash din hands. Gayahin mo si Mami, ganito anak ko. Ganito, yan. Para yung mga dirt doon sa nails mo, matatanggal. Ganyan, tama yan.
Paano, ma?
Yung dito, mag-friction, yung dirt sa nails mo,
Dito
matatanggal.
siya, pupunta siya dito na matatanggal.
Oo, ganyan, matatanggal yan. Oo, dapat after playing outside, at saka pag na-touch ka ng dog, mag-wash ka rin ng hands. O, finish na ba tayo?
Yes.
O, sige, ano nang gagawin natin? Mag-rinse with water. Yan, rinse mong mabuti. Yan, ganyan anak, tama yan. O, ito, rinse mong mabuti yung hands mo.
Ikaw
Okay,
pa!
turn off na, turn off na natin yung water. Okay, turn off na yung water and then, kailangan na natin mag-dry our hands. Ayan, ang galing naman talaga ni Emil.